I'll bite. TG Yuki also resubbed 9 months. Thank you guys so much. Good morning. Yahoo! It's a me, Mario. Oh, turn up. Can I post a new Mario picture? Sure, go for it. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Only boomers had that one. Oh. Uh-oh. Boom. This interface was so nice. Big up! This was such a legendary throw of Microsoft's Skype. Can't believe how they've managed to butcher that. Doink, doink, doink. Thank you, thank you. Ow! They have teams? Yeah, I guess. Rawr.
EA Sports.
It's in the game.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Why are you gay? Amazing game. It's kind of random. It's a bunch of songs we could just put in here then. And that's all, folks. And then you can hold down the Z button, was it? To make it start spinning and shit. This is the first one I don't relate to. I never had a Mac. This one neither. I didn't have this fancy channel. Absolute banger. Why is someone filming this? They couldn't just get the video? Okay, how old do you think I am? Shrek! I always just think Shrek when I see this. Du lär mig och jag lär dig. We don't have this Disney Ducks, however. Gotta go fast. I guess. This one came later, it really went big. Bit random, just put some songs in here. Never played. Pick up! And then you send the fucking... You guys remember that buzz feature? They just made the window...
Shit. Here we go again.
Nice.
Worst place in the world. Rolling Heights.
The nudge.
Nine representing.
What's going on?
This console was kind of... Nah. PS2 good, PS4 good. PS3 was same era as Xbox 360, right? 360 wins. Never watched this crap. I had PS3. It was so like slow, but maybe they all were. But that's all I remember
We're
from it.
Hannah Montana. And you are watching Disney Channel.
Hey. This shit goes hard. Oh yeah, baby. I know this whole thing by heart. You knew good shit was good things were happening when you heard that sound. Bling. DBS, what's that? You wouldn't download a car. You wouldn't take a shit in a policeman's helmet. Hey, Kurasurnas. Thanks for the 10 months. He says, OMG, Unk. Dragon Ball Super. No, never watched it. Rich Kids TV again. I never had this. We can't. Tamaguchi? Oh. Dude. I used to play this with bots and pretend they were real people. I would chat with them and shit. Bye-bye. Oh. No friends? More like no internet.
Wands and rings, floaty crowny things.
This was a good OS.
This is Boomerang from Cartoon Network.
I never seen it. Oh, baby. What's this? Like Maze on Steam? I already have it. The new one. Ser du stjärnan i det blå? Dude, what a pivot this was. It's in 3D now. Ah, this is some NA thing. Ho ho! Ho ho! Don't eat the shrimp! Hi, Proxyfox. Oh, I love this intro. It's even better. What about Windows Millennium or Windows? There was Windows Millennium and Windows 2000. It's so confusing. What is this? Nope. If you were to Swedify this, you'd have to put in IPN-låten. Jag är i den intelligenta väktarbötten.
Log on now.
Do a barrel roll.
Do a barrel roll.
Do a barrel roll.
Oh, I have one of these. I love that logo. Though it looks like a dishwasher. Nokia, connecting people. Cool. Chat, you guys just watched what I think is an AI slop channel, by the way. Y'all fell for it. There's a best of internet daily dotes. There's the new unusual memes. This thing looks insane.